Hey everybody, it's Rusty from Rusty Antiques here in Valdez, North Carolina. I got a few things I'd like to show you. The guy that makes my walking sticks and makes my stick horses has sent something new in, and I want to show you what it is. Before I get started, how about hitting like and subscribe? Well, I almost couldn't get that out. And I'll show you what it is. Here we go. These are called redneck bird feeders. They're made from a plunger and soda cans. He sent in a new bank. That's Jackrabbit Bank. We sold 2 possums, a turtle, and 4 or 5 piggy banks. Here's his stick horses. I guess you call that a corral. Here's his walking sticks. If you like what you see, we're at 131 Bobo Avenue here in Valdez, North Carolina. Our hours of operation are Tuesday through Saturday from 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And when the time changes, we'll go back to staying open till 6, hopefully, depending on the business. Here's some character glasses. Got a lot of those. So, if you like what you see, stop on by. We would love to meet you. Have a wonderful day.